Ciao, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Hey, it's time. Remember in the promo I said coming soon, the super chunky salad? Well, it's here. It's the super chunky salad, and boy, is it crunchy. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how we do it, and we're going to take you around the horn and show you what we're using. This is mozzarella balls, and they're called ciliegie in Italian, and then we have some pomodoro and they're tomatoes, and these, because they're all mixed up like that, they're called symphony tomatoes. Yeah, look at that. And over here I have some balsamico glaze. It's a real sweet stuff, right? And then over here I have some balsamico dressing, your favorite. And then we have right here, these are cucumbers. Look at those babies, huh? I love these things. They're so cute, aren't they? They're called cetriolo in Italian, that's right. And then we're also using, there you go, an avocado. Look at that. And how do you say that in Italian? Oh, it's avocado. It's pretty nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I put that together. It's time. And what we're going to do is cut up some tomatoes. We're going to cut up the cetriolo. You can come on in if you want. And we're going to do the avocado last. Okay, so right now, and I know you know how to cut things, but I'm just going to show you how we do it here. So we'll take some tomatoes and we'll just cut them in half, just like so. Just like that. I like to cut up some of the red ones. And then I'll get some of the yellow ones and cut those just like so. So simple. Okay, and we'll put them over here, okay? Now remember what I said on those. Those are called symphony tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes, symphony tomatoes. Why do they call them symphony? Because it's a mixture, like a big symphony, mixture of instruments. Now we're going to do the cucumber, the cetriolo. Here we go. So I'll cut this in half, get that off the ends, just like so. And then we're going to do it a little crunchy, chunky, just like this. Now, I know you know how to cut, but I'm just showing you how I do it just to make sure we're on the same page here. This is how simple it is. And boy, these things are so crunchy. I love these things, okay? And now it's time for the avocado. Now, I don't know if you've ever done it like this before, open an avocado and taking that seed out. Some people don't know how to do that. Hey, listen, I learned too. I wasn't sure. I thought it's kind of neat though. So what I do is I cut it in half first, okay? Go around the horns like so. Just go around. You can feel the seed on the inside. Come all the way around. Connect the dots there. Twist it. Open it. Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, so now you go, how do I get that seed out of there, right? So watch this. Watch this. Hit it like that, grab it, and then twist. And there it is. Isn't that cool? Yeah. I'll put that right here, just like so, just like so. All right, so we got the avocado cut in half like that. And you know what? On the avocado, sometimes you'll have little brown spots in there. You just clip it out. It's okay. So what I'm going to do is, this is how I'm going to take the avocado out of the shell, okay? Some people have different ways to do it. This is how I'm going to do it. First, what I'm going to do is come on a little closer, is I'm just going to take that little piece. Just get rid of that right now. Put that over here. And then what I do is I come inside and I go just around the horn like this. Look at that. Go around just like so. And you cup it up. You come up like so. You put her down. There you go. Look at how that looks, huh? All right. So I'm going to go ahead and slice this up a little bit right now. Okay. So here's how I go. I'll just go like this. There we go. And then I do chunks. There we go. And then that's ready to go into the bowl also. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get the tomatoes that I already cut and put them over here like so. Like there. Put them here. Put them in here. Okay. I'll save those for later. And then I'll get the cetriolo. I'll put them on top of there just like so. Okay. And we got the seed there. And then we get the avocado, okay? So the best way to pick it up is just to kind of come up, come over, and put it in. Be very gentle with the avocado. You don't want it to all smush apart, you know what I mean? Okay? So that's done, okay? All right, thanks for coming back. Okay, what's this called? Remember before, these are the cucumbers. What are they called? What is it? You're right, cetriolo in Italian. So this is what we're going to put into the bowl first. Here we go. We just dump it in just like that. Oh, look how hard that was. Okay? Then we put that in just like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the pomodoro right? The tomatoes, the symphony of tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. And we just go ahead and put them in there. Some of them you cut up, some of them you don't. Okay, then I'm going to do the mozzarella balls. The mozzarella balls, what are these called? Yes, Chiliagene. Then we go ahead. We don't cut those up. You just leave them like they are. And you know why? Because I like them in the ball shape because they're fun to eat. Like the tomatoes too. They burst with the juices. Okay, and the last thing we put in is the avocado. And how do you say that in Italian? Well, it's avocado. Now, be gentle with the avocado because when we stir it, we don't want to mush it. We want to just gently toss it around and mix it up. So we'll just go ahead and put it in like so, okay? Then I'm going to come on over and I'm going to get my favorite balsamic dressing that I went and I got. I put it together with. We just go ahead and push it over. You can come in closer now if you wish, and we just drizzle it around. You don't want to drown it, that's for sure. Okay, and we'll do that, and then we're going to come over and we're just going to go ahead and toss it up like this. Look how easy that is. Being careful and gentle with the symphony of Pomodoro. Yes, look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Get these Chiliagenes mixed up in there, man. Look at that. Whoa, look at how gorgeous that looks, just like it is, okay? Isn't that nice, huh? Okay, this is what it looks like right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to serve it up into my dishes and the bowls as a little presentation. Then I'm going to put a little drizzle of balsamico glaze. Yeah. So don't go nowhere, please. All right. Beauty shot. That's what we like to call it here at Vito's Italian Cucina. And by the way, I want to thank you for all subscribing to the family. You're a part of the family now. It's Vito's Italian Cucina. Remember that. And on YouTube, Vito's Italian Cucina. Or vitositaliancucina.com. Oh my God, we got so much to remember, right? Listen, we're coming up to almost 45,000 subscribers, thanks to you. Really appreciate it. Oh, God, I can't even speak. Anyway, we got it. We're ready to go. It's a super chunky, that's crunchy salad for you. Now, let's go. I'm going to show you what else to go on here. So look at how beautiful this looks. Isn't this gorgeous? I'm going to bring this right towards you. Look at that. And then we got the smaller bowls. These are for your guests, of course, you know, to dig in. And then I have one more thing I'm going to do. I got the balsamico glaze. Right, and I like to use it. This is kind of sweet. All I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the guest side, so it goes like this. Just like a little drizzle, like so. Okay, and then we come over here. We do the same thing here. And we just drizzle just like so. Oh, my God. And if you want to do it on the big one, you just do the same thing, of course. Okay. Look at how gorgeous that looks, huh, folks? And by the way, I have a little bit of Basilico. That's basil, sweet basil from my garden. That's right. Thank you for joining us here on Vito's Italian Cucina. We really enjoy all of these shows and all these episodes. And thanks for joining us again. You know where to go. VitosItalianCucina.com. A salute. Ciao.